Hello, welcome to this evening yoga practice. This is a full body stretch intended to help you leave the day behind and relax and unwind. When you're ready, let's lie down on our backs. So make sure that you are comfortable. You don't need to straighten the legs. You can keep the knees bent. Your arms are resting by your sides, palms of your hands up. Let's close our eyes and turn our attention to our breath. Taking deeper breath in through the nose. And longer exhales through the nose or mouth. Allow the body to sink into the earth. One more breath. With your exhale, you're going to bend the knees to the chest and hold the legs with your hands and rock sideways, releasing the lower back. You can hold the knees from under or the shins. You can keep the knees together or separate them. Find a movement that feels good for your massage onto the floor. Now let's roll to our sides and come to a seated position and swing the legs behind and move on to our tabletop. So you can pat the knees if they are a little sensitive, and we are going to make a figure of 8 with the body, pressing our hands firmly into the floor, adding maybe a neck movement, a shoulder movement. We change direction, drawing a reverse 8. Keep breathing mindfully. Back to center, shoulders over wrists. Inhale, right arm up to the side, turn the chest open. Exhale, thread that right arm under the left, right shoulder to the floor. And then rest your head down. Your left hand can stay where it is, or you can reach forward. And then wrap it around your back. Close your eyes. Don't worry about the shape you're having, or just try and feel that you release around your chest, shoulders. Breathe mindfully. Keep your face relaxed. One more breath. And then let's go back to tabletop and do the other side. Inhale, left arm up to the side. Turn the chest open as you inhale. Exhale, left arm under the right, shoulder down, head down. Press the floor with the left arm. Turn the chest to your right. Choose your right arm position. Now close your eyes. Come back to your breath. Move into this pose using your exhale. If your mind is moving around, go back to your breath. No impatience, no judgment, just come back to the breath. One more breath. Nice. Come back into tabletop. Be mindful of your alignment, hands under the shoulders always. Now extend your right leg, toes on the mat. And you will take that right leg over to the left, and with your gaze looking over the left shoulder, you can see that foot. From there, you're going to move back and forth, pressing the toes firmly down of your right foot, and your hands as well as your fingers. Everything is firm as pressing the floor. Move forwards and back. Nice. Lift your right leg up and then sweep it as far forward as you can to your right. You can always heel toe on the floor and then bring that foot in between your hands. Rest your hands on your front thigh. Go into low lunge. Relax your shoulders. Lift your chest. Now tilt your head to your right. You may feel a stretch in your neck on the left side. Just maybe you want to close your eyes to focus on your breath better. Release into this low lunge slowly with your exhale. One more breath. With your next exhale, hands down to the mat. Shuffle your front foot forwards. You can keep a little bend in the knee if it's too much. And then flex the foot. Now keep that left hand or left fingertips onto the mat. And then inhale, turn to your right arm up to the sky. If you feel wobbly, squeeze your inner thighs towards one another, towards center, and breathe. One more breath. Exhale and lower that right hand down for support. Bend the front knee. Now you're going to edge your right foot a little bit more to the right to go to lizard. You can move that back leg even further back. Now you can stay on your hands with your back straight, or you can go on your elbows. Lengthen the back of the neck by drawing the chin to the chest. And let's take 3 breaths. Nice. Let's go back to the hands if it's not already the case. Now you will sweep that front leg back to tabletop. Left side. Now extend your left leg and take it to your right side. Check that you can see it when you look beyond your right shoulder. Now press the ball of the foot and toes into the floor as you lean back. And then press your hands and fingers as you lean forwards. And let's move with our breath. One last time, and then lift your leg and then sweep it forwards or heel toe forwards to bring that foot in between your hands, and then move into low lunge, both hands onto your left thigh. Relax your shoulders, lift your chest, breathe, squeeze your inner thighs together. Breathe through the nose deeply, and with your exhale, try and release any tension that you can notice. One more breath. Exhale, hands down, shuffle your front foot. Maybe you can straighten the legs, the front leg maybe a little bend in the knee. Flex your front foot. So you're in half split here. Your hips are square to the front of the mat. You can place your right hand onto the floor, maybe onto the fingertips. And let's turn to our left this time. Left arm up. Engage your legs. Thighs squeezing in. Breathe. One last breath. Release left hand down, bend the front knee, and then edge that left foot to the left outer edge of your mat, lizard pose. Choose your arm position and relax your neck. Deepen your breath. One more breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale and release. And let's move back into tabletop. And then sitting down, you will face the long side of the mat. Extend your right leg and keep your left bent close to you. So your foot is close to you. Now, you will hold yourself to center first. And then as you slide your right hand along the right leg, you'll turn the chest to face the ceiling. Lean towards that right leg. And then maybe extend that left arm along the head. Move mindfully and progressively. If your head is a little heavy and hard to hold, you can cradle the bottom hand, the bottom forearm, and then hold your head like that. If the neck is a little sensitive, it's a good way to do it. And slowly release. One more breath. Exhale out. With your inhale, use your upper hand to come back up. And let's switch. So now left leg extends, right leg bends. Hold yourself in center and extend first. And then with your left arm and hand, you go along that left leg. As you turn the chest and face up, extend that upper arm along your face, along your ear if you can. And with your eyes closed, spread your awareness all around the body. And use your exhale to move into the pose. Maybe you want to cradle your head. 2 more breaths. Next inhale, let's come back up slowly and mindfully. Now let's lie down on the back again. Try and lie down one vertebrae at a time. Now, once you lie down, choose your leg position. First, adjust your spine so that it's really grounded and in one line. Shoulders are away from the neck. Arms are open to the sides. Palms of the hands up. Now, the feet can be the width of the mat with the knees coming in together. If your lower back is sensitive, that might be the best option. Or you can extend the legs into savasana. Feet are wide apart. The wider they are, the less of an arch you have in your lower back. And allow the body to just sink here. With each exhale, you go a little bit more into the floor. Deepen your breath and gently move your fingers and toes. Now hug your knees into your chest. Roll onto your side. And come to a seated position of your choice. You can use props. You can be on your knees. You can be wide-legged Upavista. Now keep your eyes closed, extend your spine. And let's finish our practice by taking a deep breath in through the nose and a long sigh out through the mouth. Inhale deeply and exhale. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you so much for your energy, for spending time with me. I hope you are ready for a restful night, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.